Hi, grade sixes. So today we're going to be looking at the clans and the longhouse. Please follow along. Make sure you're filling in the blanks with the proper word and correct spelling. So longhouses were at the center of Iroquois society. Each nation was separated into 9 clans, which were each led by a clan mother. Clans are identified by animals. These clans were named after the bear, wolf, turtle, snipe, eel, heron, hawk, beaver, and deer. Each animal clan is related to each other across the Confederacy. A Mohawk of the Turtle clan, for example, is a relative of the Seneca Turtle clan. As families grew larger, the clan would expand the longhouses by building onto the end. Some longhouses were almost as long as a football field. Small Iroquois villages had 4 or 5 longhouses. A large village could have more than 50 longhouses in one area.